Hello student, I'm from Lalbagh Girls City College. Today I'm going to give you a lecture on civics. My topic is security in contemporary world in classes 12. The question of peace and security have always been regarded as most important in world politics. So what is security? Security means safety from all possible harms or losses so that we have a feeling of peace around us. Now there are two kind of traditional notion of security. First is traditional notion of security and second is non-traditional notion of security. So what is traditional notion of security? Traditionally, peace and security have meant state security from external threats or attack. Some traditional modes of protection against threat to securities are balance of power, alliances, security council's responsibility to maintain peace and security, and armed control and disarmament. There are, however, many obstacles in the path of disarmament. The nations view one another with distrust. Nuclear weapons, it seems, will continue to play their role because they possess unique property. Now, I'm going to explain the non-traditional notion of security. Human security is more important than security of government or state. The state themselves have been a source of threat to the security of the individual. Many other threats to security are hunger, poverty, and environmental destruction. So these notions are known as non-traditional notions of security. There are few other threats to security such as global poverty, migration from poor to richer destinations. Migration is also caused by episodes of violence, political repression, and natural disasters such as drought and famine. Terrorism, human rights violations, and health related security issues such as HIV, AIDS, and SARS. It's also a new threat to our security. Need to promote international cooperation. Why? Measures to combat terrorism require cooperation among national and international law enforcement agencies. Measures to combat poverty, hunger, diseases, migration to ensure